It's about 50 degrees today. So a lot of this stuff has really become soggy and slushy. Yeah, look at that. Soggy and slushy. So he's putting away his laundry quite a bit. I mean, he's gone for 3 weeks, so yes, it isn't breaking up here. Me into the truck, and he's laying down his freshly washed carpets. Yeah, it was a lot of laundry. Oh, hello everybody. I see myself in the mirror. Cha-ching. There's Stephen's mirror.
Don't worry, please.
So where in Arizona are you going to go? He's going to go to Gilbert, Arizona. Well, when you do...
Haven't seen my black coveralls.
You didn't bring them in. You didn't give them to me. So we're just discovering the fact, and I was suspicious of it.
I thought they were in the bag.
No, they were not in the bag.
Well, I didn't know that. I thought they were in the bag.
So I knew that Stephen usually gives
so
me...
this whole time I thought you were washing them, and apparently you were.
Usually Stephen gives...
I just now noticed that they never showed up, so that means they're probably under the bunk.
Usually Stephen gives me his coveralls to wash, usually. And he did not. I did not have his coveralls, so... but I got so involved in doing the other laundry that I forgot to ask. I mean, I knew he didn't give me the coveralls, and usually he does. But he did not give me the coveralls to wash. So now he still has filthy, greasy, dirty coveralls. And since we weren't parked at the house, we couldn't have just gone back in the truck to get them because we're not down in the house. So he's got everything. Okay, he thought they were in the laundry bag, but they were not. So that's a definite crisis.
It is if I have to work on something. If I have to work on something, I'll buy another pair.
If you can find a place to buy them.
Or I'll have to destroy some clothes. One of the two. Either way, it's going to be money.
Did you ever put your new sheet? You never put your new sheets on, did you?
I have not put the sheets on. Yep. That's where they are.
Oh!
They're turned inside out.
Okay, so you want me to take them home or what? That's going to be nice and warm, that new beanie and warmer.
That needs to be washed too. I'm surprised they don't have grease on it. Drive a truck for 33 years. This is what it'll do to you. Make an old man out of you. Then you become a prisoner to the road because you've been a prisoner to the road for 33 years. 64 years old. No end in sight. So have a wonderful day. Have lots of fun wherever you are. Don't be a truck driver like me. God bless, and later. Or you could be a truck driver like me if you want to.